Are you or a loved one facing heart disease, high cholesterol, high blood pressure, cancer, diabetes, fibromyalgia, ADD, ADHD, or some other kind of health crisis? Well, over the next few minutes, I plan to share with you some information that just might change your health and life forever. Hello, I'm Dr. Pat Kennedy. I'm a chiropractor and a science-based nutrition specialist in Salem, Virginia. If you have to go to the hospital, your health has broken down to the point that it is now an emergency. We have the best hospitals and the most well-trained doctors in the world. But have you noticed, since we declared war on cancer, more people die of cancer every year? Heart disease is epidemic, and diabetes is the fastest growing disease in children. Why is that? Our healthcare system is really based on sick care. We can take care of emergencies better than any other place in the entire world. But all of us would rather stay healthy than to be sick and deal with some kind of health crisis. The human body is truly amazing. Every day it's fighting cancer cells, high cholesterol, even blood sugar problems. The human body heals itself, and that is miraculous. So my question would be, why is your body not healing anymore? Something's wrong. Something's missing. That is why we do extensive blood, hair, and urine analysis to determine what your body is missing, so we can give you a complete nutrition program that is based on science. So no more guesswork. Your body will now be equipped to do what it does best, and that is heal itself. Think about it. If you have cancer cells in your body causing trouble, you could get on chemotherapy, which will kill those cancer cells, or would you rather have your immune system revved up with the nutrients necessary to kill those nasty cancer cells? So if you're suffering from any of these chronic diseases and you would like more information about science-based nutrition and its testing programs and supplements, please call 540-375-9220 for an appointment, or you could email me at pkennedykc@gmail.com. You're also invited to look at our website, salemnaturalhealth.com, where you'll find all kinds of articles and testimonies on just about every health topic. It was my pleasure visiting with you today, and I hope to meet you someday real soon. And remember, you have an amazing body that can heal itself.